Hey everyone, how's it going? So in honor of the summertime, I thought it would be fun to show you how to draw a cartoon Godzilla ice cream cone. So hope you follow along and enjoy this video today. Now to start off with our Godzilla ice cream cone, let's begin with the eyes. So I'm going to start by making a check mark shape. So I'm just going to draw a line that's going to come down, then I'm going to bring this back here. Let's do the same thing here. We're just going to go down, and then I'm just going to bring it back. Now for the eye, let's make a smiley face shape right here. And then we'll do another one here. Just kind of go down and then up in that smiley face shape. Next, I'm going to draw a line down here and a line down here. Same thing here, line down and line down. Now for the nose, let's draw a line that's going to come up. We're going to go over, and then we'll come down. And then let's add a little curved line on each side. Now for the mouth, let's draw a line that's going to come down. We're going to go over and then back up for a smile. And let's add some teeth. So let's just make some little triangle teeth. I'm going to make them some kind of different sizes. I'm going to put like an odd number, so I put 5 little teeth there. Next, I'm going to draw a line that's going to come down. We're going to go over and then up here. And then we're going to put a couple more little teeth. We'll put about 3 little teeth down here. And we'll make a big sad face for the tongue. Now for the chin, let's draw a line that's going to come down. We're going to go over and up. Now, starting here, I'm going to draw a line that's just going to come up to here. And we'll do the same thing here. We're just going to draw a line that's going to come up. And then right in here, I'm going to start putting some of his spikes. So I'm going to draw a line that's going to come up and down, and then we'll go up and then down to here. And then we'll just curve this down. Then I'll put another one here. We're going to go up and down, and then up and then down right to there. Next, I'm going to bring this line down and in. And same thing here. I'm going to bring this line down and then in. And then right here, I'm going to make a little bit of like a wavy, bumpy line right to the chin. Same thing here, just kind of like a wavy, bumpy line. Then right here under the eye, I'm going to draw a little line underneath each one. Next, starting here, let's make the cone. So I'm going to draw a line that's just going to come down. We'll make it kind of rounded at the bottom and bring it up here. You can see it's like a big V shape. Now, starting here, I'm going to draw a line that's just going to curve up. I'm going to bring it around and then come back to here for a tail. Then I'm going to draw a line right down here. And let's make some little curved lines so we have a little bit of detail on there. Next, right over here, let's make some more spikes. So I'm just going to make a couple more little kind of pointed lines. And we'll just make a few right here, and then one kind of small one here. Now let's make some lines on here. So I'm just going to draw some diagonal lines right across here. I'll put one right here. Then let's do the same thing, but we're going to go this way now. We're just going to kind of come down. Just like that. And there you go. There is your drawing of a Godzilla ice cream cone. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed.